guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. I am back at the Walgreens. I'm gonna do some of the similar deals that I did yesterday. I'm picking up some of the same products because again, if you watched the video that I posted yesterday, I kind of messed it up. But if you guys are new, welcome. Just take a moment to subscribe. So I thank you guys so much for subscribing. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway, so I'm excited to do that. But yeah, let's get right into these deals, guys. I'm gonna start with the soap, picking up 2 of them at $4.99 each, and then we do have a $1 digital coupon, as well as a 75-cent printable that I printed from their website, grabbing those 2. I did forget to mention that we are getting a $5 register reward back, and then this is the printable coupon that I'm gonna be using. All right, so I shared this deal with you guys yesterday, but I didn't have coupons. It's gonna be on the Nivea. They are $5 this week, and then when you buy 3 of them or spend 15, you're getting back a $5 in Walgreens cash. We do have inserts, so we have a $4 off of 2, as well as a $1.50 off of 1. So I'm grabbing 3 of them. That'll give me a savings of $5.50, and then I'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So grabbing these. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this deal a try again, and this time I need to factor in my 20%. So I'm picking up one of the immune support. They are $9.99. We do have a $3 digital coupon, as well as $3 printables. So I just printed out these ones today since I used the other ones I had. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick up one of the syrup. I did this one yesterday. This one is $1 more expensive, but I don't think I've tried this one, so I think I'm gonna give this one a try. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one up for $11.99. All right, so I was looking for the chewable melatonin that I picked up yesterday. I don't see it, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up another one of the immune system since it is $9.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick that one up. So let me show you guys the 3 items that I'm grabbing. So grabbing 2 of the daily support, and hopefully my printable coupon come off this time because this one didn't come off yesterday. So grabbing 3 of these. I'll show you guys them. All right, so just in case you didn't see my video from yesterday, so the Zarbees are double dipping. It's giving you 3 prints. I'm sorry, two prints. So you're getting a $5 store coupon for buying 2, and you're also getting back $10. I'm not sure if it's for buying 2 or 3, but I purchased 3, so, and I got an extra $10 printed. So I'm hoping that it's gonna do the same thing again. So buying 3 of these come out to $31.97. Let me show you guys here. So $31.97, and then I'm gonna use my 20% coupon this time, calculating it in. So I'll pay $25.79 minus the $9 in coupon. That'll leave me to pay $16.57. And then from there, we do have a rebate for the Zarbees. This is the 20%. We do have a rebate. So the rebate is when you buy 3 products, you get back $10. When you buy 2 products, you get back $5. So I've already submitted for my rebate this morning. I did have to correct it because he was giving me $5, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it under my husband, using my mom's address, because I'm not sure about the address. He didn't say a limit or a cap or anything like that, but just to be safe, so I can get back the $10. So then we're getting $10 printable register reward, $5 store coupon, plus $10 here. So it's a really good deal if you need these items. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and replicate the exact same deals because I need the higher value digital coupon. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up to help me with my spend deal. So same deal, $7.79. We have the BOGO coupon that's taking off $7, but we are also using the 20% off. That's gonna be $12.64. I'm sorry, $12.46, and then minus the $7, and then we're gonna submit back for the Airwick rebate. Another deal that I was gonna throw in was gonna be on the Febreze, but that's only gonna give me a $4 off, and I'm trying to pay less out of pocket. So if you pick up 4 of these, so 2 packs of this one and 2 packs of this, You can also pick up the car clips. We do have a $3 coupon as well as a $1 digital coupon attaching to all of these products that you can grab. But then when you buy 4, you are getting back a $4 in register reward. So that's a different deal from the Tide here, the Tide and the Tide Pods liquids. But I am actually gonna pick up some liquids because I need some of those. I don't have any coupons. We do have coupons from the coupons PNG website. I just didn't get a chance to bring them with me, but I'm gonna grab 4 and pay actually so I can use that for the printout for my other deal. So I'm grabbing 4 of these. That'll total me $21.96, and then I'll be getting back the $5 coupon, and then I'll be able to use it for my spin deal. Another deal that you can do is on the Dawn as well. They are $4.99, and then when you buy 4, you get back the $5. My store only has 2 of those. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's anything else included, but it seems like that's the only item. But they only have 2, but we do have BOGO coupons that you can use for this product. Again, my store only has 2, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass. But my total right now is at $69.01. I'm gonna go ahead and add this for $1.49, and then we do have a 50-cent coupon I'm gonna add to this. So yesterday I grabbed the liquid Purex. So today I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of the liquid crystals. I'm sorry, the Purex crystals. They are 2 for $6. We don't have any Ibotta rebates, but we do have a $1 digital. I'm sorry, not digital, a $1 paper coupon. All right, guys. So my total is right at $70.49 because I'm not sure if that one palm olive I grab if it's on sale or not. Anyway, so I met somebody at the store, got off to talking. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab off 2 of the Reese's. There are 2 for $1.50, and we have $1 off a purchase of 2 of them. All right, guys, so with everything here, I'm at $71.99 without coupons. So then, well, minus the $1 that's gonna come off here. So then I'm gonna use 20 in Walgreens cash. That'll leave me at $51.99. After all the coupons come off, I should pay $27.24. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some register rewards. So I've got a $10 here and a $5, and then I'm hoping to get $5 here on this deal. What I also grabbed is a Colgate on this next transaction, along with the Tide. And then I'm gonna use a store coupon to pay for that one there, and then hoping that I'll get back the $5 to put towards this transaction. So, and then I'm also utilizing a spend 40 and then getting back $9 back. So that should give me a total of $19 in points plus the $5 that I'm getting from here. So that'll give me what, $24 in points. All right, guys, so I decided to change my mind and I did everything in one transaction. So here's my receipt. Here's the Purex Palmolive was $1.49. The soft soap here, the Reese's, as you can see, that $1 came off. The 4 Tide, and I did throw in 3 of the candy just to make sure that my total was over the $100 mark. And I'll show you guys what I did. I redeemed 50 in Walgreens cash. Here are the Nivea products, the Colgate, all of the Zarbees. I factor in my total this time, so $9.52 coming off. Here is all of the coupons that I used. The Nivea, what is that, a $5 register reward, the Purex coupon. The other ones were the paper coupons. The $10 here was for the register reward that I used, the $4 e-coupon for the Colgate, and the $3 e-coupon for the Zarbees that didn't come off. The $1.25, I'm not sure what the $1.25 was for. Maybe for the Kit Kat or the Reese's, I'm not sure. But another $1 for the soft soap, 50 cents for the Palmolive, and $7 for the Eric right there. So I used $50 in Walgreens cash. So my total should have been about $7.79. Actually, no, I didn't factor in the candy. So the candy came out to, where is it? $1.50, so $7.79, 8 and change. So that's about right, minus the 75-cent coupon that didn't come off. And here was what I got back in points. So I got back $24, just like I was expecting. So I got back $9 for the spend 40, $10 for the spend 50, and $5 for the need. All right, guys, so as far as register rewards, here is all that we got back, a total of $29. So I got $5 back for the P&G products, $5 back for the soft soaped, another $10 printed for the Zarbees, $4 store coupon for the Colgate, and $5 store coupon for buying 2 of the Zarbees. So that was a pretty good deal. Really excited. So here's my receipt once more. As I answer this question, a lot of people sometimes ask me, well, how do you know what you're spending? So for most time, I don't go by what I'm spending, like on register rewards or like Walgreens cash. I know it does make a difference, but it all depends, because every situation is a bit different. So for this purpose of transaction, I'm gonna go over it just so you guys know if you calculate it in such a way. But I used to do it this way, but I really don't have the time to. I just make sure that what I'm spending out of my pocket, which is my cash money, stays lower. So that's my focus. So for this purposes of this transaction, I spent $74.19, right? So I counted $50 that I earned from Walgreens cash, the $9 that I spent out of pocket. So I don't count the taxes because that's different for everybody. And then I'm counting this $10 register reward here. I'm factoring the $5 register reward. So that takes me to $74.19. So what I did get back is $68.53. So I got back $24.53 here, plus the $29 of register rewards that I'm getting here. And then I'm submitting back for the Eric for $5, for the Zarbees for $10, giving me back $68.53. So I got a total of 23 items. So that means if I factor in the $5.66 that I spent out of pocket, that means that every item here would have cost me 24 cents if I divided it evenly. So that means everything would have came out to 24 cents per item, which is what I actually used to do. But again, I don't really have the time to just add up everything like I kind of want to. So I don't really do it that way anymore. But let me know if this helps you. And you know, I'll continue to do it if it does help you to understand your cost spend out of pocket. So I'm saying 24 cents for example, but then this lollipop is only 59 cents. So that means it's only coming out to 24 cents. Whereas the Tide is, what is it, $5.49, but I'm also counting it at 24 cents. So it doesn't make sense for me. So when I resell the Tide, I sell them at like $4 or $5, whereas I would never resell this lollipop or something like that. But anyways, let me know if that makes sense for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, which we're almost shy of 200, I'm going to be doing a $25 e-gift card giveaway. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.